Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download iQIYI video on PC. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Downloading videos directly from iQIYI on a PC is not officially supported. According to iQIYI's help center, downloading videos is only available through their mobile app. The PC website and TV app doesn't support this feature, but what you can do is just simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in iQIYI.com, and then in the home screen of the iQIYI simply log into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is select the series that you want to download. Then let me just select this one right here, and once you are here, what you need to do is open up any episode, and then once you open it, what you need to do is copy this URL that is on your search bar, and then simply head over and open up online video downloaders and simply paste the URL on the search box, and once done, follow the prompts and you will be able to download video to your PC. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.